Congratulations to all our winners of 8 kilometers female category.
Ako murah tuh murah. Murah kan. Ako last 2 weeks ya murah.
And now for the male category, 8 kilometers, 10th place with team number 543, Mr. Ryan Philip. Once again, Mr. Ryan Philip with big number 543, our 10th place for 8 kilometers category. Our 9th place, 097, Mr. Padiyang Alexis. With 482, Mr. Iton Angel James.
Okay, 8 days, sir.
7th place
Abay,
with
Kande,
334, Mr. June Marlo Avergonzado.
Ala, 8 days. 8 days, sir.
6th place with 368, Mr. Jacob Anagon.
Jacob Anagon, 6th place, sir.
In our top 5 winners for male category 8 kilometers, 5th place with bib number 305, Mr. Chris Mark Siamson.
naman ino.
Oh, naka-video na. Sa iyo agay, naka-video.
Ganyan ako pangita nimo. Ganyan ako pangita nimo. Iwas may dagat dito. Ani balik ha.
Place with 218, Mr. Nino Hipentiza. Mr. Rogelio Indrina. Our 2nd place with bib number 472, Mr. Richmond Reyes. For male category, 8 kilometers, we have bib number 475, Mr. Ivan Mahinay.
Mabatan ang internet.
Murah kayo na kaya.
Ganyan lagi straight eh, murah buto ng dugan. Grabe.
Gigan nagdini, hinahiyay
Pag-starting nga to YouTube.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners for male category, 8 kilometers.
Ito na mura na kong butong dugan.
And now we will proceed to our 16 kilometers female category.
Okay, now we proceed for our 16th kilometer female category. Our 10th placer, we have bib number 118, Miss Erica Limbagon. Number 039, Miss Jolene Lupando.
Baldo. 500.